hate Ozempic. I just want to start like that. I want to start just like that. I hate Ozempic. One more time. You want to hear it one more time? I hate Ozempic. Oh my gosh, I hate Ozempic. All right, for those people who don't know, I am not sponsored by Ozempic. And disclaimer, I am not an expert on Ozempic. So anything said in this video is just my opinion, and that is that. You should not take anything I say in this video as fact. These are all opinions. I hate Ozempic. Let's talk about it. So, as far as I can tell, and maybe I should tell you this first, what is inspiring this rant is me seeing a beautiful black woman take on the O-CrackHead look. Oh yeah, it's a thing. It's a thing. If you've never heard of it before, it's because it started within the inner chambers of my mind. And I'm here to spew it. O-CrackHead. It's a look. A lot of people are into it. But let me tell you, it is not the look that you want to have. Oh, let's talk about it. What is inspiring this rant? I saw a beautiful goddess go from the clouds of Olympus, if such a thing exists. It doesn't. And dare I say, become mortal. All right? Yeah. Who is this black, beautiful woman I'm talking about? You might be wondering. Think about it. Let's play a game. I mean, you click on the video, you watch it, and it goes off. It's not an experience. I want to cue you in on the experience. I want you to be a part of me, a part of this episode. So with that being said, let's play a game. I'll give you some hints. This beautiful woman, she was just thick in all the right places. Who do you think that is? Yeah, that wasn't it. Now, what else? Give me another clue. Okay. Oh, black man was singing her praises. Singing her praises because she was so thick in all the right places. Who am I talking about? Huh? No, that wasn't it. Now, this woman, not only was she thick, she was also a little muscular. By muscular, I mean just in shape. That's got to be the one right there. Who you say? Huh? Ah, that wasn't it. This beautiful queen that I'm talking about is none other than Serena Williams. Oh my goodness. This is what is inspiring my rant today. You know, I'll tell you what happened. I was skewing and scouring and venturing through the internet, and something hit my feed. It says, Serena Williams, dramatic weight loss. I said, oh, okay, cool. All right, Serena, keep working. Right? And I click on the image. I'm about to see some Serena. That's what's going on in my brain. I'm about to see some Serena. That's what every guy thinks when they click on an image of a female. Not sure why she is showing her body. I'm happy. I'm about to see her ass. That's what every man think of when they click on a picture of a woman of any caliber. Ask him, he'll tell you. Anyway, I was expecting to see some yams. I scrolled and looked at the picture. I saw some dams. I'll say it again. Oh my gosh. Clicking on a picture of Serena, I was expecting to see some yam and potatoes, some yams, and I saw some damn and bananas. Some dams. Because Serena Williams has lost so much weight in such a short period of time that she must be taking what I think, in my opinion, is Ozempic. Gotta be. Now, I'm not sure if she has come out and said this, but I know Ozempic, or should I say O-CrackHead, when I see it. There's no denying it. You can't fool me. You can't trick me. If you lose weight in 1 week, 2 weeks, and your head get bigger for some reason, and your face get all saggy and all that, you on O-CrackHead. You ain't fooling nobody. So tired of people trying to trick people. Yeah, girl. Yeah, I've been hitting the gym. You're lying. You ain't been hitting no damn gym. You've been hitting the needle. You on O-CrackHead. Now, let me tell you something right here. See, this is why you need to shy away from this O-CrackHead thing, man. I found this online. This is called Ozempic Face. You can't hide Ozempic Face. Let me read this because I know my camera ain't showing it so well. Let me read this what it say. Okay, you can't see that. I'm going to read it to you. Now, after you start taking Ozempic, you get wrinkles. You can't hide that. You can't hide that. You get sunken eyes. Who the hell want to look at somebody with sunken eyes? You get sunken eyes from having Ozempic Face. More prominent bone structure. That's why you look like a damn crackhead, because your cheekbones is showing bones we ain't never seen before. You get thinner lips. So now you like, hey, everybody, I lost weight. Your lips get thin. And then you start getting saggy damn skin. That's called Ozempic Face. So now you got all these people. I understand. Yes. I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you. You want to hear it? You want to hear it? Yes, you lost weight. Yes, you lost weight. Good job. You lost weight. Everybody getting tipsy. Everybody in this book. Everybody. She done lost weight. He done lost weight. Give him a clap. At the expense of everything. Now you got thin lips, wrinkles, sunken eyes. What the hell is sunken eyes? You in a club like, hey, everybody. You in a club like that, and you got more prominent. You in the club like this, hey, everybody. I just lost 25 pounds in 2 days. I'm so fucking pissed right now. You like a crackhead. Somebody got to tell you. Fuck. And I'm tired of always being the bad guy. Everybody make me the bad guy. Why I got to be the bad guy? Because my name Rick the Dawn? Why? Why am I the bad guy? No, what it is y'all confused. And so when you got a space of darkness and one person is coming in bearing all the light, they look like the bad person. So I'm the only person on earth that's just honest. That's the problem. I'm the only one. And I'm the only one that's not afraid to be honest. That's the problem. Yeah. So I become the bad guy. So what? Say hello to the bad guy. Because I'm going to tell you the truth. Even if it hurts me, I'll tell you the truth about me. I don't care what if the truth is the truth, then the truth is the truth. Ozempic Face. I'm over it. So I saw this picture of the beautiful Serena, and I saw that head done got bigger, her arms done got skinnier. I said, damn, she an O-CrackHead. You know what's irritating? I try to figure out the source of why would this even be happening? What would make a beautiful goddess go from a thick, big, what would make a black woman go from yams to dams? What would make a black woman want to look like a Asian white woman? Who would want to go from looking like Serena Williams into Teresa, 65 years old, white woman of 3? Who would want to do that? And I said, wait a minute. Let me find the source. And I saw her husband and said, damn it. That's probably what it is. He's probably applying that white woman pressure on her ass. And she cracked. Literally. And started taking O-CrackHead. And now she's like a crazy ass. Damn. I just saw her at the Super Bowl. She was kind of thick. This picture I saw 2 days ago, I'm like, damn, that was like 1 month. How you lose that much weight in 1 month? I think I know the answer, everyone. Sorry to report. She may be on O-CrackHead. Okay? And she ain't the only damn one. Now, oh, man. I think we lost Serena, y'all. I think she's gone. I don't think we're never going to get the normal Serena back. We're never going to get her back. I think she's gone now. I think she's gone. I think the pressure for women to be skinny that they've placed on themselves, because there's not a single black man on planet Earth that wants a skinny woman that is not naturally skinny. I'm serious. Now, if a woman is born that way, see, God is amazing. You know what I'm tell you what happened? God is amazing. When he made women that are naturally skinny, he did it perfectly. Oh my gosh. Perfectly. He gave them just the right amount of, and just a little bit of. Beautiful. But when a woman is not supposed to be that, shrinks herself to that? Ask yourself this. How can you compete with the work of God? Do you think your work is going to get better or worse? Think about it. You got God who's perfect and makes everything perfectly. Then you got your clumsy ass. And you're going to try to redo the work of God. Do you think it's going to get better or worse? Think about it. Damn. Man, I don't understand. Take your lazy ass to the gym. You can't trick God. And you know, they say this one thing and it's so true. If something appears to too good to be true, then damn it, it is. You mean to tell me I can take a shot in my ass, in my arm, I can take a needle and I can lose 100 pounds in 3 minutes? You better believe the devil when he already done attached the drawback, the consequence of that. You ever seen a movie called Wishmaster? It's about a evil, I'm going off topic. It was about a evil little genie. He give people whatever they want, but it always came with a bad consequence. That's what Ozempic is. Yeah, you can lose 100 pounds in 3 minutes, but we're gonna take we're gonna get your sunken eyes. All right, we're gonna make your skin wrinkly, and we're gonna get your thin lips, and you're gonna always be thirsty. All right, that's the consequence. And don't get me started. Don't get me started. Do not get me started on what it do to your sex drive. Don't get me started. I'll be here all damn day. All right. For my men, it says it, but it don't say it bold. But it say, I read somewhere, and this is an opinion. This is opinion. I didn't want to bring any factual information to this video. I want it all to be opinion. I read somewhere though that it can have a negative effect on your manhood. I've heard that. It's an opinion. And it's for my ladies. Okay? You ever heard of Dawson's Creek? All right. You ever heard of Dry Dungeon Canyon? All right. You ever heard of a Dry Willie? Canton? All right. That's what you're going to have down there. It's going to be unpleasant. Okay. Don't get me started. Please don't get me started. I'll be here all damn day. Hey, listen here. I need everybody who's contemplating using Ozempic to take their lazy ass to the gym. All right. Take your lazy ass to the gym. And I don't know what it is. You don't have to work out every single day of the week. I'm going to tell you the truth. Here's the truth. All you have to do is go to the gym at least 2 times a week. That's it. That's it. All right. That's it. And fast at least once a week. By fast, I mean go 24 hours without eating anything and only consuming things like smoothies or liquid. All right. Chocolate milk. A blended fruit, smoothies or whatever, or water. Just go one day, a full 24 hours doing that. All right. You might not be able to do 24 hours immediately. It might be more like 5 hours. Just try it. And then the next week, 6 hours. Then the next week, 12 hours. Then the next week, you got to build up your tolerance. I'm telling you, go to the gym twice a week and fast once a week. You can fast while you're going to the gym or fast on a separate day. That'd be 3 days you're dedicating per 7 days towards a healthy lifestyle. Because then you'll lose weight naturally, and then you allow God's beautiful design to do what it naturally does, which is reflect what you give it. Okay, whatever you do in your life, your body reflects it. Okay, that's it. There's no way to shortcut success and cheat. Yes, you will look skinny. Yes, you will look skinny. But what nobody will tell you except your main man, Rick the Don, your online brother, you're going to like a crackhead too. Okay, because you know what? That nobody talks about. You want to know something that nobody talks about? You want to know something that nobody talks about? I'll tell you something that nobody talks about. Crackheads is in good shape. And that's what your crazy ass look like. With love.